Good Vibe, Good Life. This is the self-help book written by the Fax King. So I will like to extract some good lessons, good my understanding, and good take of that important lessons for everyone's. See, uh, good vibe and good life. This is the based on self love, positive self talk, and manifestation of your vision and manifestation of your goal. In the self love is the foundation of all personal development. It is the key to unlock of your personal greatness. See, in the writer, it is telling about the consistency of the two essential element which can help you to manifest the goal, manifest of your dream, either it is your personal and professional life. One is that unconditional love. Second is that the incredible goal. These two elements give the balancing of your life. It give the harmonious relationship uh, within yourself. So how to create the good vibe? See, the book heading, it is suggested that good vibe means good vibrations, and through the good vibrations, you can create the good life. And so, it is a matter of the vibe. It is a matter of the vibrations. See, this book emphasizes the law of vibrations, which is something is the beyond of the law of attractions. Whether the law of attractions, it give the importance of your uh, thought. Thought is the something is the electrical energy, and only thought is not sufficient. Strong thought with the feeling. Your thought must be aligned with your feeling. If it will be aligned, it will give the like the electromagnetic force, which is most powerful force. And what you have to do that this can help you to establish the relationship between you and the universe. See, through the law of vibrations, you can transmit the energy through the high vibration, through the high frequency. So, any thought which is giving the strong feeling of anything, if you creating the high vibration of this thought and sending this energy through the high frequency to the universe, you will get back the same energy in terms of your achievement, in terms of your accomplishment, in terms of your all happiness. So that is something is that law of vibrations. What you send out, what you will get out. What come in, what go out. So that is the more natural law of human life. That what you will send, you will get back through the law of attractions. So law of vibration. So how to create the good vibe through the creating the some positive lifestyle. So you have to changing some lifestyle habit. See, uh, higher state of your vibration will help you to feel good, and that is the more important of your manifestation of the everything what you deserve, what you define for getting in your life through the manifestations, through the living in the higher state. How to live in the higher state? One more important things what I like to love, surrounding yourself with the good positive peoples. The people who having the high vibrations, you can get of those people. If you do not find in the some book, through the through the book, you can maintain your high vibrations, and having some positive perspective of your living your life, having some positive attitude, having some like the emotions, mastery in the emotions. Something is creating some powerful state, powerful physiology, that is very helpful to create some positive lifestyles. Once you create the positive lifestyle, and then make yourself priority. So in the book, the writer give the important of your behaviors, and you have to and review and rechecking about your behavior, and you have to also handling the negative peoples, and give give up the pledging to the all peoples. See, if you are not here to pledge to everyone peoples, and you have to say no. No means no, and protect your own energy. First, you have to protect your own vibrations. For helping someone's vibrations, you have to check, you have to review about your vibration. It cannot harm, it cannot be like the something is the you fall in the toxic environment, you can deplete your energy. So and you have to leave the all toxic relationship, all toxic atmosphere, toxic friendship. That is something is that you have to keep your priority. Your priority should be the how to create and retain the positive vibrations. See, success and personal transformation is not like the journey of 1 week or 1 month. It is something is the consistent way, and during your journey you have to check that whether your vibration is intact. Yeah, it can be depleting. So most important thing is that make your priority keeping your vibrations which is always in the high. And apart from that, the writers give the importance of the accepting that is giving the importance of the accepting yourself. How can you accept? See, if you living in the current atmosphere, current situation, current professionals, it will always demotivate you. So it's better that you can create the self-image, self-esteem, and self-esteem. That is means that you can help of your visualizations, affirmations, and create some boundary, create some rising your some standard in your life. That is something is that accepting yourself, and keep distance from the negative peoples. Otherwise, your energy will be derailed. You start depleting your energy if you remain touch with the negative people. So always keep some positive self talk. Transformation your word, your vocabulary, what you speak yourself. It is so much powerful. Always talk very inspiration talk, and sharpen your skill and capability is the most important things. And always think that how can you up skill so that you can handle the current situations, and appreciate your physical boundary, physical beauty, how you look, what is your voice, how you think. So that is something is the appreciating about your physical beauty, and and you have to compete with yourself. There is no any competition. If you compare, if you do your competition, it's better that you can compete yourself. and something more important thing is that value of your inner beauty. So there's a lot of things where in this book, writer has given the more important how to accepting yourself, and something is that uh, manifesting goal through the mind work, and through the taking actions, through the mind work, how to manifest your goal. There are n way, but what I like to do in my practice is that visualizations, affirmation, writing the journal, gratitude journal. That is something is that it always help to elevate of your state. It will always keep you in the positive state, and finally you have to manifest of your actions, and without actions you cannot do anything. So in this book, finally writer talk about the inner peace. In this book, a writer is giving and advising of the meditations, affirmations, gratitude journey, so you can connect with your inner peace. So there's a lot of talk to keep and live in the high vibrations. Through the high vibe, you can create the good life. So I will recommend to read this book, and there's a lot of practical meaning, and we have to understand and implement in our practical life. Thank you.